Okay.
Hello, welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. Well, this is our Zettelkasten week, and what a Zettelkasten week! This is going to be the most fabulous Zettelkasten week we have ever had in the almost 2 year run of Fusion Writing because we have Zettelkasten for fiction writers on Zettelkasten week. Whoa! Victoria, what will you leave us with for our Monday compass?
Well, this week, as you know, it's pretty much all about Zettelkasten. So tomorrow we'll be straight to the point, and what I'm going to do is talk you through a couple of ways that you can start thinking about what you want your environment for research-driven writing to look like, so that as you start building out those cards, or if you are lucky enough to be a subscriber to my newsletter, which you have 1 week left to do, that issue is all about research driven writing. And I'm having you create cards. So if you have this beast and you're going through and you're doing the exercises and creating the note cards, issue 1 of my newsletter picks up right where I leave off. And I keep giving you those things to install so that you can keep building out your system. So that's where we'll pick up tomorrow. What are you going to talk about?
Okay. Well, of course, we've been on the character trait of responsibility, and it would be irresponsible of me not to talk about responsibility, and I will. But this the excitement over this book is beyond belief. So I'm going to also talk a little bit about, well, what would you do if you followed my 35-week Reawaken the Dream of Writing, and you have all my PDFs, and you've made out a bunch of cards already that fit in a numbering system that's not the same as what's in this book. What should you do? And so that will be the other thing that I'll talk about when we come back tomorrow for our map day. See you then. Bye bye.